Hello, my name is Dr. Harpinder Shevchenko from Smiles by the Sea Family Dentistry, and I'm here to answer some of the questions about tooth pain. If you are experiencing dental pain, there are a few things that you can do. First of all, you want to identify where the pain is coming from. You can take some over the counter medication and see if that helps you, but you do want to see your dentist. If you don't have a dentist, look up, call someone, call a dentist near you, make an appointment, go get checked, because definitely there's most likely a source why the pain is coming from. Even though your over the counter pain medication might help you alleviate the pain, but most likely it will be a temporary fix. So we definitely want to make sure that you're doing a permanent fix to the pain. It does not get exaggerated over time, or it does not become worse. So definitely find a dentist if you don't have one. If you have a dentist, give them a call, get yourself evaluated, and find out why the pain is going on and what is the solution for it to get rid of the pain. Longest lasting solution for dental pain is that, as we mentioned before, you want to find out what is causing the pain, what is the source of the pain first, and then you want to get appropriate treatment for that. Make sure you're handling the root cause of the pain. So that would be the most permanent and longest solution for the pain. First, identifying where the pain is coming from. Second, handling that with the treatment, whatever the treatment is appropriate for that pain, and getting that treatment done and making sure it's all handled and you're all set and it's not going to become a problem later on for you. One of the questions that I do get asked is that what are the common reasons for dental pain and how a dentist can help me get rid of that pain. So there could be multiple reasons why pain is coming from. One, the pain could come from somebody experiencing pain from their gums, which could be from there could be an infection in the whole mouth, or there could be a localized, which means like infection which is set in a single tooth or multiple tooth around that gum in that tooth area. So that could be the reason for a dental pain. Or the pain could be from a very big cavity which has reached the nerve of the tooth and that is causing pain. Other could be that there's an infection with the nerve of the tooth and that could be causing pain as well too. So identifying the reason once your dentist evaluates you and then gives you the appropriate treatment for that. For example, if you have a gum disease going on, which we call a periodontitis, your dentist will recommend, based on the severity of that disease, they will recommend the appropriate treatment for that. You want to get that treatment done and your pain should go away. And then if it's a big cavity and it has reached the nerve, you will be given a treatment recommendation to alleviate that. Make sure you get that taken care of. And if there's an infection with the tooth, again, also, dentist will give you recommendation what needs to be done on that, and you go and follow that and make sure your pain is handled. So another reason for dental pain could be a pain from wisdom teeth. So when the wisdom teeth are trying to come out in your mouth, what we call is erupting in your mouth, that could also cause a dental pain as well too, or pain in the mouth. Also, not pain could come from some people can experience TMJ pain as well too. So these are some of the main causes of pain. And again, you want to make sure you get it checked by your dentist and get it evaluated and find out what is the source of the pain and get the recommendation, get the treatment done so you can be free of that pain. So another question I do get asked is, what are some of the non-dental reasons for a pain in somebody's mouth or teeth? So a couple of the reasons could be, sometimes we see that in patients with what we call is a nerve pain, neuralgia, because in our mouth, on the face, there are a lot of nerves there. Those are some of the nerves which ultimately innervate or feed your teeth as well too. So sometimes it's not actually a problem with the tooth itself, but it's kind of a mirrored as a tooth pain, but it's actually coming from what is called neuralgia. And one of the very common ones is called trigeminal neuralgia, which is a nerve that kind of runs on the side of our face, and it also feeds our teeth as well too. And some patients can actually experience very excruciating pain. So you want to get it checked by your dentist. They will ask you some questions and do some testing to find out and differentiate whether it's actually true dental pain or it is coming actually from the nerve. Another cause could be some patients, if they are going through cancer treatments or going through chemotherapy or radiation therapy, sometimes they experience dental pain as well too. So again, main thing is that you want to get it evaluated as soon as you can so you can find the correct reason why the pain is occurring, and then you can get treatment accordingly for whatever the reason for that pain is. Another question I do get asked is if one could experience dental pain after dental procedures. Yes, there are some dental procedures after which you could experience some dental pain. For example, if you had some surgery in your mouth, or there was some nerve treatment done, or any other extensive work done, you could have some pain in your mouth. It could be discomfort. It could be in the gums as well too. When you're getting that procedure done, your dentist will explain you that what kind of pain you can expect from it and for how long you can expect from it. But also they will give you recommendation on what can be done. They might prescribe you some anti-inflammatory medications or some other medications to help you comfort that pain. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions regarding dental pain. If you still have any more questions, please feel free to reach us at 603-926-8827. You can also visit our website too and fill in an inquiry, send us an email. And that website is www.smilesbythecnh.com. And we are happy to help you.